Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for July 9, 2020. If you look at the SPY daily chart today, when the market opened, they try to push it back up, try to retest the high yesterday because this is a very heavy resistant area here. They attempt to break it a couple of times, couldn't do it. So the seller come in, they push it hard, but the buyer put it back in. After they hit the second moving average here, they bow right back up. So technically, if the market still be able to hold at this level, they will try to build a case to try to break out to retest the area here again. So as you can see here, after they slam it down on a shorter time frame, they hold it up and then they push it higher. So if you look at the E-mini SB 500 EF, you can see that after they slam it down, they hit right into the long trend, uptrend support line here, and then they bow right back up. And you can see here on the short term, they hit to the buy zone. After in the morning, they test the sell zone, fail, they go back down, hit to the buy zone. If you are a student from Stock Navigator, you should know how to define the sell zone, buy zone. And then after that, the market is turn around. After they hit to the buy zone, they get a support, they run around and try to find a way to retest another attempt, try to retest the top again. So if you are a day trader, you can see that okay, before you get in trade, you have to know how to define the buy zone, sell zone. So when the market come back, retest the sell zone, fail, they push it back up, hit to the buy zone, the buyer step back in and push it back up. So you can see here when the market open, they slam it down at 6:30 Pacific time. They put it back up, they retest, they couldn't do it higher. So when they break out here, so the trend has changed to different directions. So this is boom, they come right very quickly down to the bottom. And after that, they hit to the buy zone, and then the buyer step back in here, and then we can take a long trade here, one shot right into the moving average. We get out and call for the day. So this is the net profit for today. It's the $2,513. Someday market it give you a good chance. You can make more money. Someday you make less. That's the nature of a day trading. So if you look at the couple of stocks today, and you can see that a lot of stock is doing well. Like number one, MRVL, Marvel Technology Group. They extremely after they get out, they hit up to the top very fast. And couple of stock that highlight today that you can see that they break out, and then after they break out of the trend line, now they take up again. And a couple of stocks that we have been looking at, like Sam it after get out, they try to go back up again, and then AMD, another semiconductor stock, is doing well also. Since they come here, and then now they take up also, and a lot of stock at SGE is still doing pretty well on the upside. Since when we mentioned it, now they find a way to get up higher. So that's all I have for you today. So thank you very much for stopping by and take a look. If you would like to learn more about our method, our strategy, and how to trade correctly by using modern technical analysis, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Thank you for stopping by and watching. We will see you on the next video.